Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here of Bolex Repair Philippines. In this video, I'm going to show you a short tip with your Bolex when you're filming out on the field and you've either misplaced your lens cap or you've just had a fresh CLA and you want all the camera and the lens protected, that type of a thing. Here's an easy way to do it and very inexpensive. Plus, if you lose this part, you're not going to care. You can buy a new one very cheaply. Introducing the shower cap. Take the shower cap, place it around all the lens and the Bolex, and there you have it. You're done. Hope you've enjoyed this video on a tip on for an alternate use for a lens cap, covering all the lenses when you just had a fresh CLA and protecting the rest of your lenses and your Bolex camera. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.